Yes, come on student. Next question is, it is given to you 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. You have to simplify it. See here, first of all I am converting these in sine and cos form. See here, 1 tan theta is what? Can I write sine theta upon cos theta? This is your sine theta upon cos theta. And what is sec theta? It is reciprocal of cos theta. This is, I can write 1 upon cos theta. This will be cos theta upon sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta. This it is very easy. Now come on. Now I am taking LCM here. Cos theta here. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Getting? And here sin theta. Here will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. Now see here. This is like this. Sin theta plus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Can I write like this? This is just like A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Okay, A is what? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square. This is A square minus B square. And down here is multiplication only. This is cos theta into sin. A plus B whole square is what? That you all know. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, this is your A square plus 2AB plus B square, and 1 square is 1 here. Here is cos theta into sin theta. Okay, then what is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This minus 1 upon cos theta into sin theta. 1 to 1 cut. This is 2 sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Sin theta to sin theta gone. What is 2 is your answer. Okay, it is very easy. Now come on the next question. Here see the next one. It is given in LHS cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. You have to convert in this form. Okay. Now see, what is LHS here? Left hand side. This is your cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay. What is C here? Here is given cosec and cot. Here is given in terms of cos. So I am converting in terms of sin and cos. See here. Do you know what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Okay, earlier class we have seen. And what is cot theta? Tell me, what is cot theta? That is cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, 1 upon sin theta cos theta upon sin theta whole square is whole square. Take LCM. What is sin? Sin theta is LCM. Isn't it? Sin theta is LCM. Okay. But here is 1 minus cos theta. What can I write? See, 1 minus cos theta whole square, and here is sin square theta. What can I write? 1 minus cos theta whole square Sin square theta I can write 1 minus cos square theta by this formula. What is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. See here, this is 1 minus cos theta 2 times. 1 minus cos theta. And here is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, now see what is common. This is common. So 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. This is your answer. Getting? Like this way you can get RHS. This is your RHS also. Come on. Or next question.